We are about to head off to Sweden, and we're going to look at 3 houses that we've been researching. We're going to pick Kivu up on the way.
Hello Kivu. Here is our friend Ashley and our friend Jeremy.
Excuse his facial hair.
I'm a bit jealous of his beard because mine doesn't grow much.
Look at all these trails.
Oh, I think it's here. I can see the pizza oven. It's a very old house from 1880 or 1890. This is going to be hard to beat.
I'm sorry I was late today. I didn't get to see you dance the waltz.
Oh, it's raining.
Around the living room all dressed up in your mother's clothes. Oh, you love her even when we fight.
So this, actually probably this side, we are thinking we could build a mezzanine and have a bed. So this would be a perfect guest house.
It's not as big though.
Next workshop.
I'm gonna go up there.
Let's not go up there, you can just have a look.
Taylor, go and sit there in front of the cake.
No.
A good part of the forest comes with the house. We need to go to the next house now, but I believe we might as well just go home because I don't think any house will beat this. We are on our way to the 3rd house. Second house we didn't film because the owner were there, so by respect we didn't really want to bring the camera in, but we had a good chat with them and they were the friendliest people. Third and final house. This is the house and there are 2 outbuildings. It's a huge loft room, but it's something we could do in the first house. The one still our top pick. We could do something a bit like this, maybe simpler.
The neighborhood or the surroundings
Yeah.
of this house. It's
Yeah.
a really nice house inside, but the surroundings.
The neighborhood is a bit industrial.
A bit industrial. There's a road that you can hear, and it's not got the same woodland very close that the other place had, right?
Good grass for blowing in, but I would choose the first house.
I think we all agree that the best of all the houses is the first one we've seen. 21 minutes.